you, or maybe you somehow feel na you are in competition with each other? Considering na pareho kayong bautista, pareho in terms of timing, kung paano kayo sumikat.
Well, natanong na naman to in some interviews also. Pag nanonood kayo ng anime na Naruto, meron doon mga magkakaibigan, pero they still call themselves rivals. So parang pwede kayong maging kaibigan, pero also want the best for each other. And to do that, you have to be the best version of yourself.
Yeah, dagdagan ko lang ng konti. Kasi tama ka eh.
Copy-paste.
And para ma-achieve yan, I think kailangan lang ng wisdom and kailangan ng timpla. Kasi baka yung pagiging competitive mo ay nakaka-offend or something. So, ang friendship dapat nangingibabaw pa rin and yung support nangingibabaw pa rin. I think that's the secret.
So malalaman mo yan kapag halimbawa kumakanta isang grupo ng singers. Malalaman mo, if you have a very, very good ear, kung nagtutulungan sila in a group number or nag-overpower. Malalaman mo yan. So parang, as for all these years that I've known Mark, when we sing together, parang, hirap ka ba today? Ako na dito sa note na to. Or parang, harmony, ikaw taas, baba, ako baba, ikaw taas. It's easy, walang ano. Kunin mo na yung last line because it's your song or it's your birthday. So, pero kaming ganun na friendship and understanding. And that's why, and you will see this friendship also in this show. There will be times, of course, that dapat talaga magpasikat kami sa isa't isa because we want to showcase who we are. But at the same time, when we sing a song, we are in harmony.